Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Agelan here, MarineMax Miami. Want to give you a walkthrough on this 2024 257 Grady-White Fisherman. Starting back here on the swim platform, you'll see this boat is powered by twin Yamaha 200 four-stroke engines. As you move into the boat, you'll see large fish box in here in the middle, as well as a live well here on your port side. You'll notice bolsters throughout the entire transom of the boat here, as well as a pull-out bench seat, tackle storage here on your leaning post, and a pull-out Yeti cooler. Moving towards the helm, you'll have bolster seats, space for any choice of your electronics. This boat does come with electronic trim tabs. You've got your Yamaha display, as well as your Fusion head unit. As we move forward, you'll see a large casting platform on this boat. Right now we've got the cushions. You've got fish storage, fish boxes on both sides here. And in here you do have a small head that I want to point out. Lastly, as we finish towards the bow of the boat, you'll see we did equip this one with the windlass anchor. Quick walkthrough of this 2024 Grady-White 257 Fisherman. If you have any questions, give us a call or come visit us here at MarineMax Miami. Thank you for watching.